Welcome. Today I'm showing you how to use OmniHuman AI, a powerful tool that transforms static images plus audio or video into realistic animated human videos. OmniHuman uses advanced multimodal AI to animate any image, be it a portrait, half body, or full body shot, by combining it with an audio clip or video input. The result? A lifelike video complete with synchronized speech, gestures, and expressions. There are two main ways to use OmniHuman. First is the image plus audio input. Upload a photo and a voice recording to generate a talking avatar. Another is the image plus video input. Upload a short video as your motion source combined with the image for full body animation. Here's how it works. Step 1. Click Create Human, then upload your image, portrait, or full body. Step 2. Add your motion signal. You can choose audio, like someone speaking or singing, or a video clip. Step 3. Choose the output format, vertical, square, or widescreen, and click Generate. OmniHuman will blend your inputs and output an HD animated video with seamless lip sync and natural gestures. OmniHuman stands out because it not only lip syncs speech, but also generates full body movement, including hand gestures and posture shifts, producing incredibly realistic animations from minimal input. This tool is perfect for content creators, educators, marketers, anyone wanting to animate avatars quickly. However, it can also be used to create lifelike deepfakes, so always use it responsibly and respectfully. And that's how you use OmniHuman AI to bring still images to life with realistic video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'd like an advanced tutorial next.